Hi, today we're doing shit that we probably shouldn't be doing. This is the exhaust brake off of my RV, and it is completely rusted and locked up. It's fucked. Um, I've been trying to free this thing up for the last week with heat and penetrating oil, and today we're going to get a little bit more aggressive with it. First thing we're going to do is we're going to undo this V-band clamp and get this V-band adapter off. Well, that was way harder than it needed to be. As you can see, that bolt's bent, so that didn't help. Okay, that's not coming apart. Got a 1 gallon bucket with a 1 gallon Ziploc bag. Gonna put this whole thing in there. The one thing we probably should not be using on this, muriatic acid. Okay, now we're just gonna let that sit in the muriatic acid. It's probably gonna be 24 hours, and then we'll check up on it and see if it made a difference.